Hi everyone, welcome to Masap TV. Today we are just discussing around the burning question that most of the citizens now have in Kenya and around the globe. What's education? When you see someone is telling you that he's educated, or if you see someone telling you that they went through education system, what do they mean? First of all, let us take this instance. Right now, all the students to stop going to school, and all those systems that are going to school, the media, to continue going, to continue performing in the society. Let's say like the football to continue, music to continue, but the student to stay at home. What will be the impact after 2 years? All the children to remain at home, nothing, just at home. Take for example now the informal education to come now into the present society that we are living. Yes, it is there, but now to be now the type of education to be people to pass through. Will all these other forms are available? Will our child really be successful? And what is successful? This is the burning question. Please subscribe as we continue. From our parents, long time ago, from our ancestors, they believed that education can be a weapon to a fool. They believe that education it's an empty thing that is just quivering around the world. It's very normal to see someone who is educated just bouncing in the village saying that he is educated with all the papers lying in the suitcase. But what does he help in the society? Today we are just going to discuss about how do we acquire the education. Is education really acquired in classrooms? And in the present society, many people believe that education is only going to school and study. No, that is totally wrong, because we have some people in the society currently now who never attended to school. They're class 8 dropout, they're primary dropout, class 2, 3 dropout, but they're very successful. But look, for example, the likes of teachers, doctors, nurses, they work to the age of retire. But when they retire, they only change the position that they were working. They retrench from now being teachers, from being doctors, from being nurses, to become farmers at home in their rural areas. The education that we need to ask is this: if we combine both informal and formal, let's say that our kids to continue going to school as they are going today, and now at home the parents are giving them much support, much exercise, will it work? It somehow works, but true, parents are trying to advise their kids nowadays. But what is the problem? How come that kids are going to school, parents are trying their best to give them advice, but it is still not working? How come that those kids that they don't have parents to advise them, some are being successful, while some, those who are having parents are trying all they could, going to school, talking to teachers, going to school, giving teachers money, going everywhere, buying all the things that they can do to this child to pass, but still the child does not get it. Still the child does not survive. How come? Only this answer could be asked by the child. Only this answer, fellow viewers, could be answered by the child himself. There's something known as soul searching. Parents, try your best as you are advising your kids. And you kids, try your best to know what is soul searching. Can you sit down and ask yourself, where do I want to be? What do I want to be in future? If going to school, will I do it? Someone discussed this topically and said that he could not advise his child to go to school, but he could advise his child to do what he can do best. For example, Diamond Platnumz, now the current musician of Tanzania, if say that he dropped out of the school, let's say for example, he dropped out of school and he continued doing music. Now he could hire doctors, he could hire nurses, but you are forcing to your child to do something that he does not like, and now in the rest of his life, he's living a very sad life. So try also to enforce this child to do what he does best. On the view of education, as I have said earlier, it is not acquired in classroom. Our old ancestors believed that when a child is just under control of the parent, under the control of the society, all shall be best. But now with the technology around, the child is no longer under the care of the parent, under the care of the society. But you as a student, what are you viewing as education is? What do you see in future? Education is not acquired in class, that we must agree. Then if it is not acquired in class, what are you acquiring from the society that will make you very successful? Thank you very much for watching.